Hi, welcome everybody in my channel. Today our topic is how I expand this algebraic expression. Look, this is a fractions and algebraic number also. But in that cases what you are doing? You can do 7 by 5x, you can take it. 7 by 5x, you can let this is A, and 3 by 2y, let it is B. Then what's the formula? This is A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. It is your first math, so I teach in this way, but at the time of exam, it is not necessary to write this part. So here 5x is the A. Now come to the point. I can write in this way. A means 7 by 5x whole square. Then plus, and B means, here I write the B part. This is 3 by 2y whole square. Now I write the middle part. This is plus 2 into A. A means 7 by 5x. B means 3 by 2 y. Then 7 by 5 whole square means 49 by 25 x square. Then plus, I cancel this two, this one is 21 by 5 xy, and come to the B part, 3 by 2y whole square means it is 9 by 4 y square. It is the expanded form. Clear? Now, I will teach you another math by the expanded form. So, at the time of exam, if you want, you cannot write this part. You just first line write and the third line. Okay? Now, I will show another expanded form. Another expanded form I will teach you. This one is 105 whole square. In that cases I have only one number, so I break that number two part. Then I expand it. I write it 100 plus 5 whole square. This here 100 is the A and 5 is the B. So I write A square plus 2 into A into B. Here B is 5 plus B square. Then 1 0 0 0 0 plus 1 0 0 0 plus 25. Now you add this part. 1 0 0 0 0 4 0, then 0 0 then 25. 2 5 0 1 1. Your answer is 11025. Now I take two types of expanded forms.